Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what we have here. We have the OKKMAX, and these are floor mats. So I'm going to show you guys what these are and how they go in. Let me, 1 second here, let me stop the video. Okay, so we have the different pieces of parts here. I'll show you again. We have these pieces here are going to be for your front trunk and for your back trunk. So we have those. We have here. We have pieces for. This is going to be, I'm going to assume it's for this back seat. So let's go ahead and put this one in. You see, it's good. It's got like a little lip around the edge, so if it does get wet and stuff, it won't spill everywhere. And I'm just putting it over my existing mats. But it's got little spikes on the bottom and everything to keep it from sliding around. So you get the idea. That's what a floor mat looks like. And then up here, we've got our. Let's see what else we got here. We have for the front seats. So this is going to be for the, I think for the passenger side. The passenger side, we will have the trunk. This is going to go in my trunk, and then this will be for the driver's side. So we have all the different pieces and parts. So let's go ahead and put the passenger side one in. See what that one looks like. Move some of this stuff here. I'm just going to put it over my other mat. This one. These are really nice. So you can see my floor mats now are kind of dirty. So this here is going to give me that ability to keep it nice. And look at that. Fits in there like a glove. Such a nice fit. So these are great. They look awesome. So I'm going to say thumbs up on these for sure.